Okay. Hello, hello, test, 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 test. Let's see what we're working with. We bounced off this breaker last night from Asia. Like that a lot. Just couldn't get any follow through. Like all this stuff. Yeah, we couldn't get any follow through after that. It looks like good bounce, and then right when New York started dumping through it. So let's see here. Feels like accumulation. I think I want to see if we can go for a push higher here. We have a lot of gaps to really come back up from New York AM. Kind of surprised how aggressive it was today. But let's just see what we can cook up. Okay, yeah, I think we have a large immediate gap above on the 15-minute. I would think we either, traditional way, move up for lower, or just move up, try to get this out of here. So whichever it does, I think at the end of the goal here is for a jab inside, and that's what it looks like it's doing here. Let me connect up my ninja here. Didn't trade AM, like I mentioned. Always trade Asia, PM, or NPM basically. So how chat's doing so far today? Let's see here. Sounds mad, but you're on us the next day of this trading shit. Whoa, what the heck is that supposed to be? Yeah, we're just doing so good with Asia. And I want to see if we can get a good PM session, man. That'd be great too. We show up, make money, and we leave. Connect all my accounts. I do have a lot more accounts now with a live account. I have to TradeFi live onboarded now. We have a BPR here. Look at that. Not on ES per se, but on NQ. How's it doing right now? You ideally want to see a good reaction off this if you want to push higher. I think we're just chopping around here, so I'm not going to be too convicted upside until I see, honestly, We have 3 lows here. Sweep this low, and then give me a bullish setup. We run to this 15-minute here. Whether we run high for lower, or just gonna be moving up from there. This is too early to make a call here, even though we have a nice 5-minute BPR here. Just look at this chop here. If you just go in hindsight, let's say, you're just saying, oh, we're gonna break lower. Nope. We're gonna break high here. Nope. Are we breaking lower? It's just like way too choppy. You need some more decisive moves here. So in this kind of tight consolidated range, the price delivery thinking right now is back and forth until we get a nice strong closure. So let's take a look here. Something bullish I would want to see, possibly. Maybe wick down, close back up, and then we got closure above. And then we get a 5-minute breaker from this low to this high, sweep this low, get a closure, form that breaker. Got closure in 2 minutes. This is gonna wick down and close back up and still be in the game here. You use macros at all? I don't think I use macros as much as some people who like look at like the 10-minute macro, like let's say like 950 to 1010 or 120 to 140, like looking at like each 10-minute macros. What I'm looking at is kind of looking at what happens typically like at 10 a.m., 2 p.m. based on the 4-hour, as well as how price typically reacts from that time each day. So that's why I always look at 2 p.m. because 2 p.m. gets the 4-hour closure. Then we can play off of that. But I think some people get too close into macros, where they call it macro for everything. Let me see if I can find it. I mean, I don't know if that helps them, but maybe if it does, I don't know. Like, look how many macros there are. There's like macros every hour. I don't like using it like that. Like, I feel like it defeats the purpose of it. This is the next closure here, depending on what happens here. This is actually looking pretty good right now. Want to move higher. Looking for drive-ins on a 50-minute. It is. This kind of looks good here. I need to get locked in here. Eating too much. Give me a second, chat. Start cooking. I think we look at longs here. Just based on the 5-minute BPR, you just want to find a long setup to bring you up. Just held here, so this is something I always look at, right? Wick lower, close higher, and then the next candle really tells it like if we want to how far we want to go, and then you drop down to the 1 minute. You get this 1 minute inversion here. Ideally, you want to tap back in now that we got a closure. Be like also like the 1 minute BPR. You can put your stop probably on this low here, and basically ride to the next internal high. Jensen from Nvidia speaking now. Is that why? Why is Nvidia just start pumping here? This is hourly. Let me check. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to trade now. I was a little been munching, but we're back. We're ready. Yeah. So I guess like I'm looking at this right now. The only real entry you would have had would have been having this 1 minute closure here. This is why you don't want to just split points. If you have like a 20-point stop already on like a volatile day like this, you don't take the entry as long as you have confirmation, which we do now. And we're looking for push higher. And what a good push here. That's what I'm saying, chat. Look for that. Look at your 15-minute and see where it's likely going to head. The draw for me is this immediate 15-minute gap. Whether it's higher for lower or just higher to grind up through this, the most obvious thing is to really tackle this 15-minute gap. And you're kind of looking at the 5 here. See what kind of structure you have. And I see this 5-minute BPR, which we held. We didn't close under. We wicked through it, which is great. Because that just shows this is manipulation wick here. And then we close higher. With that closing and respecting here, you just want to pop down to the 1 and see what kind of 1 minute confirmation can you play off of this 5. Damn, no audio. I don't know when I was muted, but I guess I was muted for a while then. But I'm looking for a move higher. I think someone asking like the 5-minute is confirmation, 1 minute's entry. Not in this case because the 5-minute is kind of like the setup. You're looking for a 1 minute to really align with that. But say like we get an entry on the one somewhere like at 7:15, 7:14. As long as we get a closure on the 5-minute BPR, that should just kill that trade. Yeah, I feel like if we took the trade, we'll probably get. I mean, we didn't even get this high, so oh wait, I guess we did, like a tick, but probably get break even on this one. I'm just gonna see what else is here. This looks like a fair play though. No matter how I look at it, this just looks like a good play here. I don't know about you guys, chat, but this looks like it works out well because we have the 5-minute confirmation already. Because it respected, so like I just don't see why it would not try to go for these highs here. And any long setup you take, you just want to be mindful of putting a stop right at the low there. We're talking about closure. That's such a volatile wick. Let me check the one. That was like, how much is that wick? This is a 50-point wick. That's insanity there. I don't know if is it Nvidia here? Why did I see Nvidia just spike here? That was probably Nvidia, honestly. Dude, that was probably like the CEO saying something that they didn't like. They're like, you know what, we're gonna tank this right here. What was that spike? That's kind of crazy. Ooh, that's a closure I didn't want to see here. Anyways, we is that double bottom too? Yeah, now it's getting a little awkward here. It's just such a chop that we want to probably wait for it to get out of this range first before we can declare like a move. But what a big wick. What was that? That was like 50-point spike down. Yeah, so we're just kind of chopping back and forth. It doesn't look too good, to be honest, to really play. This 5-minute BPR already got chopped up here, so I'm actually not that hopeful on it now. Honestly, though, before lower, though, I really want to see if we can drive to that 15, but haven't seen it yet. What an odd spike there. That has to be something with Nvidia, huh? War news. This I feel like this scenario is more optimal right now. We run higher for lower, and we'll take out this 15-minute low here too. I think that's what it's really gonna go for here. It was Trump Putin call. Was it actually? Or was that Nvidia? Or was that someone's putting the Nvidia thing and someone also putting Some peace in Ukraine. That was 120. Oh, that was 2 minutes ago. So that was probably more Ukraine, huh? 50 points is kind of wild, though. That inversion still valid? No. So when we're chopping back and forth like this, I think the best case you want to wait for clarity. If it wants to sweep this low for higher, I'm fine with that. If it wants to pursue this 15-minute for lower, I'm fine with that. I think one of them has to go first. Trade of 8 issues on Top Step. Is it issues? So far, I think we wait this out here. We were going before these lows. What's the main reason you trade AM? Because how many I guess I'll answer why first. I just like PM over AM because it's more consistent. AM is a kind of double-edged sword, which does give you good price delivery, but the way that I trade, I feel like I like to be very consistent, and PM is consistency is very much slower than AM, and you can do tighter stops. And then if you're asking why I don't trade AM as well as PM, is because I trade Asia now, and something about me don't want to trade 24/7. I just want to focus 2 hours here, 2 hours there. That's 4 hours total. I'm good here. And then if you want to look at our trade last night in Asia, this is exactly what I called out. It worked out phenomenally. Short. Only if we get this. So like, I'll just gonna demonstrate here. I think did I show it here? The 15-minute was already bearish. If you see this 15-minute chart here, every 15-minute PDRA just been a rise up for lower, rise up for lower. Then you drop down to the 5 here, and I see this 5-minute breaker from PM, which is yesterday here. We didn't get the entry off of because ideally we close over, confirm the breaker, and get a retap for higher. We didn't get that, so I'm looking for a short to draw into that 5-minute bullish breaker. And kind of what I documented here was let's just sweep all these internal highs. Let's not get a close over on the 5-minute, and let's drop down to the 1 and get an execution off of it. And I don't know if I posted that here. Where's the? It's there, but that was a trade there. All right, I got some hot water now, so I'm just kind of muting my mic every time I need to cough. That was Asia last night. It was like I think 8-9 p.m. So we're gonna wait 15-minute relative high. That's what it's showing right now. Either we sweep lows for higher or we sweep highs for, I feel like, targeting lower. If not, it could also just do the second route here. Kind of the scenarios I'm going for right now. It looks like we're trying to really push these highs here. Which, if we get a closure, perhaps we can play off this breaker here. I won't be mad at that. I just want to think also, like, if we're stuck in this range, just think of, like, where equilibrium is. Can we try to see if we can get a good risk-reward type of entry model? Where's the sweep? I'm going to project this on, like, let's say you look at the 30-second. We have a low here. We have a high. We swept this low. And if we get a closure, a good closure above, this retap should hold it. That's the kind of the break I'm marking here. Trade debate is really freezing. Was that with every firm? I need to make sure. This is not a breaker yet. We need a strong closure, and I need to make sure the trade debate is not bugging because most of my platform is on trade debate, and if it's broken, I'm gonna touch account and it's gonna get hurt. Why is everyone in the chat saying trade debate is broken right now? Apex and trade debate, or in my fund futures? Wait, can you guys describe what the freezing is? I think that's what I need to like kind of hear more about. Can you trade? Can everything works, or like it just you put your orders in and sometimes it freezes? So it's making it look like we're kind of going both sides right now. We're just stuck in this range. Wait, Project X2? Why is this? Yeah, that's weird. I have no idea. Top Step X is freezing. Let me just see if I can see this in other channels too. Maybe like I'll start with Top Step, you know. Let's look at Top Step lobby, and we'll see if anyone's talking about it. Top Step frozen. Top Step X though. Let me see if there's any trade debate. Frozen. Let's look at my fund features. There's no reported outages yet, by the way. The worst thing you could do is trade when the platform is having problems. Why? It's because, let's say you have a trade and there's some platform issues. You might just tilt off just because like you're like, oh, I should have already, let's say it was green on it, I should close out, but I couldn't close it, now it's red, and then you try to run through them because of contract rolling. Are you guys, those who are having problems, are you guys on the new contract or the old contract? Yeah, I've been having quite the issue with the Conto lately too, but that's just a trade copier. Yeah, we're just stuck in these areas here. Let me just show what it looks like here. Still moving. It's just still stuck in his range here. This 5 minute looks horrendous though, but you just see like basically two strong liquidity, two like tight consolidation liquidity, one upside, one the downside. You're gonna just see whatever it sweeps first, and then if we can manipulate, that means we have a high probability run here. So, I mean, I do like to see we kind of have like a dated low or like a news low here. Sweep this, respect higher. Now we can play something. Yeah, not doing anything right now. Oh. This is just not tradable, right? You guys might be itching for a trade, but like, this is I don't think this is tradable here. Chat, I'm gonna do a poll here and see which one you guys are using here. Because we talked about like issues. I think the number one is Replicanto. We're gonna take a poll of what trade copy you guys use. um, I took a poll here. I think most of you guys would use Replicanto because that's the one that I endorse and really promote. But you know, there's also trade rate group trading. There's others. There's other like that basically is like Replicanto, just like different software, but like the same add-on. And then the new one is like the Trade Syncer, which I'm kind of looking into right now. Just like a general poll here. I should also have a none option, but I feel like a lot of people use. Oh, yeah. If it's Apex Trade Copier, it's Apex Trade Copier is basically the white label Replicanto. It's probably the inferior version though. I feel like you need a trade copier if you're trading multiple firms. If not, um, yeah, like it's gonna be tough. I wouldn't trust group trading too much on Tradebait though. It's free, but like it's not the best. And it's also it's a pretty darn hassle to use it. You can be connected with multiple firms, by the way. That's the biggest downside that you could even name. Wow, we are still stuck in this shop. I have no idea how to really maneuver around this. It shows somewhat of SMT here because ES is moving higher, and it's kind of sluggish here. What copier do you recommend for a cash account? I think I would need more info on that. Like, if you're trading a cash account with props, then yeah, then you probably need a trade copier. Replicanto is probably the best pick right now. But there's a new one here. It's a trade syncer web base. Looks like on the poll right now, only like 10 of you guys are using trade syncer. Most of you guys, majority is 35% is Replicanto and other current services. affordable indicator has 2 times slippage, meaning the leader makes 1,000, followers have like 200. What is that? That's terrible. Yeah, it's the day before FMC, by the way. Chat. Keep in mind, day before FMC, you're not gonna have the best price delivery. This is historical facts here. It could be subjective, but like, if you experience through FMC days, day 4, which happens essentially almost once a month. Not every single month is FMC, but like most of each month you experience it. And if you experience for years now, you probably went through like 30 FMC by now. You'll know that this price delivery is not going to be the cleanest, and you're like, why is it price doing this? Why is it not just making a breakout? Why is it chopping back and forth? It's because they're waiting for the news drivers, and that's why you want to be patient, because typically what happens too, it's going to chop back and forth, and then get as many people out of the market as you can, and then as late as possible is when maybe we'll break a side, and it'll be a failed breakout just to kill more people. Let's say it breaks for the upside, right? Breaks for the upside, people think it's going to break out, and then it flips back down. And then the clearest move is to play for the sell side as well as the next lows here, if that's the case. All right, let's see the poll here. Yeah, a majority is doing Replicanto. Second majority is group trading from TradeEvade, and then the others is probably like Apex Trade Copier or Quant Tower or just any other like other services. Those are all just add-on. I think what I've been looking into is a web-based one, and that's what TradeSync is. And I've been talking to these guys for like I think 10 months now, and I've been testing it with them. So I've been using it for the last like five days now. I'm gonna keep on using it this week. They have a free trial if you guys want to try it out. I'll link this here. Let me see if I can link it. It's a monthly subscription, but I think it's worth it if you're gonna be using it a lot. I'm gonna link it here. I'll replace my link or my pen. If you guys want to try it out, it's like I would try it for a week, see if you guys like it. But you know, I've been working with them for a while. I've been waiting for them to fix their bugs, and it's been really smooth. It's actually much more smoother than Replicanto lately. That's why I don't know if you guys experienced lately, but Replicanto have been giving me a handful of issues that I do talk about on Twitter as well as on Discord, just because of connection issues. Sometimes I just get disconnected, which hurts me because I'm like, Replicanto I've been using for years and it's been such a beauty, but I don't know what it is now. Is it just because they're overloaded, or maybe I don't know what it is. It was perfect back then, but now it's not as accurate anymore. Stick to Replicanto. Why pay monthly? It's because this one. Another limitation with Replicanto, you have to use NinjaTrader. This one you can trade off your phone even. It's a web based, so this is what it looks like, right? And let me just go through pricing. I'm just gonna break the ice here because I'm gonna try to use it as my main copier. You guys can try it out, and I'll let you guys know if you guys want to wait a month for my feedback. This is what it should look like. If you have this same price song with a partnership, you will be qualified for the rebate as well as 5% off. This is the plan. It's $50, $100, $150. If you do the annual, you save more. But the good thing about this is you can connect up to 120 accounts. So for me, this is crucial for me because I'm trading like 8 different firms. And a good thing about that, you can connect any prop firms to it really, except the Project X. Project X is not there yet. But every prop firm. So another limitation with Replicanto is you can have only one rhythmic connection. That was a problem where I couldn't connect Unox. I could connect certain other connections. But this one, I could connect anything while also trading on my phone if you want to. And I'll also demonstrate how it looks like because I think it matters. As long as it doesn't show anything. Please don't show anything on screen before I get cooked. Let me just test it. Let me just test it. Okay, I think it looks good. So this is what it looks like. I have all my connection. I tested it all. It works out beautifully. Let's say I want to connect a new one. These are the connection: Rhythmic, Tradeovate, or DXFeed. I use mostly Tradeovate, and I'll just put in, let's say, Apex, or I'll just put in like test, or what the heck. If you put Tradeovate, the cool thing about it is you press continue, and it has an API connection to Tradeovate. So Tradeovate gave them access to it, and you just provide your info in, and then boom, everything, all your accounts is connected. But I mean, this is an option. I'm gonna probably use both still, but I'm gonna move most of it to just TradeSyncer because it's just more optimal for me. Yo, Lanto's in the chat. Does Lanto want to hop on? I'm just waiting for this to break this range here. This is disgusting. Let me answer your guys' questions here. Advantage is web-based, so trading when not in front of computers advantageous. That's literally the key to it, and they are also planning on making an app on your phone where you can really handle that way easier. This is no longer an add-on. I mean, they're working on basically a P&L calendar which tracks everything, kind of like TradeZella. Like I use TradeZella for Apex. This would be double as a trade copier and like a hook up all your prop firms. TradeZella only limits to 20 accounts. I can only do Apex. This one I could do all 6 of my firms basically. So it's gonna be something here. Should I? Usually we do Fridays. I mean, we could just chat around. Literally, look at this price action. I don't think this is tradable right now. This is disgusting here. And I don't know how we got this 50-point wick, but it just wick so perfectly down these lows that if we did take, like, let's say this low and this low, maybe I would play upside. Alright, let me answer more questions here. TradeSyncer was horrible last time I used it a month ago. Is it better now? So that's the thing too. I stopped myself from really trying out until they fix a lot of their bugs and issues. And the last, like, I think 5 days I've been using it, it's been really, really smooth. So that's why, like, you know, when you first test it out, you're going to just be very careful with it. Just have NinjaTrader ready just to close any positions if it messes up. But, you know, this is like a new thing and they're trying to work it over time. It's web-based, so it's more intuitive than just like a simple add-on. But yeah, a month ago, I would probably agree with you that it wasn't ready yet. What's the connection speed? Are there delays? That's the thing, Herman. If you just test it yourself, I tested it. Maybe I'll try to do a demonstration tomorrow because I don't want to set it up right now on stream. But I've tested it, and you put limit orders, it basically does it in less than a second. And you can move them, it moves less than a second. So it's actually, I don't know. I don't know how they do it so well, but definitely they need more data to fix any bugs. Join YouTube trio. All right, Big Boy Lanto wants to hop on. Lanto's gonna give you guys a trade. Yo, what's up? Oh, is it back? Oh, you know what? I made Discord. Hang on. Give me a second. I'm gonna fix the Discord first. Yeah, okay. I try now. Hello. Is that good? Is that mic good or no? Is it good? Okay, there we go. I don't know why the input goes to my headphones rather than a mic sometimes on Discord. All right, say something real quick.
Yo.
All right, you're good. All right, we're good. Dude, price before FMC. You remember FMC tomorrow? This, like, I think a lot of people do forget. And it's like, they're like, why is price so bad right now? Especially on PM or even AM, I guess. AM after it started, it started dumping, I guess. So after, like, let's say 950, it just stuck in this tight range. And I don't know if a lot of people were getting chopped up because I think yesterday, whole Fintuit was, like, mostly red. I wonder if it's going to be the same thing today.
Yeah, it's been, dude. I'm mentally fried from trading today. I don't know about you guys, but I feel exhausted from trading. I only trade my personal via AM, but dude, it's been tough. So I took 4 trades, including Asia. My
We
final
cooked
trade
Asia,
today,
bro. We cooked Asia so hard.
I know, but my final trade it was ticks away from getting stopped out, ticks, right? And then I end up seeing price flip back down and hitting my limit. If you go to, I'll tell you the trade I took. I took a, where is it at? I took a 5-minute gap rebalance on ES and also a 1-minute gap inversion. And I think my entry was,
Wait, for AM for which one? Let me check.
for PM. I took a PM trade just a little bit
Oh,
ago. It was, I forget, I already forgot where it was. It was,
there's a
oh, there we go.
trade here.
Yeah, so I took a 1-minute inversion trade off of after a 5-minute gap rebalance. So the 1-minute inversion at 12:58 p.m. So that there was a bullish gap there at 12:58 EST, and we ended up seeing price inverse. So my fill was like around 63-ish. I was looking for a 1-to-1 R pretty much. So I was looking for that relative low, and then obviously below that would have been nice. So my TP was the relative low 653. Bro, my stop was relative high. So relative high was 672.5. You look at
Wait,
where we topped out at.
what contract are you on? Am I tripping or am I not seeing this right price?
I'm on.
You're the new contract, right?
Yeah.
Wait, so what timestamp was it again? The trade?
It was, so the inversion created at 12:58 p.m. and I took
12:58.
entry at the 1:06 p.m. candle.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, so I took, my fill was around 63-ish, and I was looking for that low, just simple 1-to-1 R. I was looking for us to draw lower. So, but look how we retraced. My stop was relative high. Look how we retraced.
Are you still
up.
in that relative high? Because it.
No.
Oh, okay.
So we come away. We're like what? So stop was 72.5. We ended up wicking up top at 71.75. So I was 3 ticks or 4 ticks away. No, 3 ticks. 3 ticks away from getting stopped out. And then I look away and I'm like, chat, this should hit stop reasonably because this looks like invalidation. I look back and 3 minutes later I hit TP and I'm like, dude, what the fuck?
Was that on the 119 candle?
Yeah, it was the 119 candle. I got wicked filled out. Yeah.
Damn, that's crazy.
Dude, I'm like, what the fuck?
Did you know what that was though? I think chat was telling.
Yeah, I'm assuming it's a macro candle, some type of news.
No, I think it was like exact like the exact timing. I think 120 or 119 area. There was like a Ukraine Trump type of thing that they posted on the chat. I was like also tapering. I'm like, okay, I want to see if we can take out highs, relative highs, and for lower, and then just 50-point candle out of nowhere in this tight range.
Yeah, I was shocked because, dude, you know the funny thing is I was on my phone. I was letting the trade pan out. And I'm like, okay, we should hit stop. So I look down after we're about to hit stop, and I look back up a couple minutes later, and I just hear order filled on my trade evade. I'm like, dude, what? And it's my TP. Damn. I'm like, dude, definitely a little bailout there. But today's been very, very bad in my opinion. Yesterday, AM was mid, but then we saw PM really pick up nicely, in terms of directional movement. But today it's both AM and PM has been really bad in my opinion.
Yeah, let me share both my Asia and Lento's Asia here. I'm gonna just do mine first. Yeah. Mine was pretty clear cut here. Just play a move higher, sweeping turtles, and then get a sell all the way to the breaker low, and that's what it did here. And then I think while it was happening, you alerted shorts. Yeah. To like basically go back in. Where is it? Alerts.
Go to commentary. It's in commentary.
Oh, they're here. Yeah.
Right there. You still have to scroll up a little bit because I posted some stuff today.
Wait, no. Okay.
And no, it's a little higher.
This is AM. Okay.
Higher.
Damn, boy, alerting too much.
Yeah, there you go. You just scroll.
Yeah, so this is when you started looking for more lower pricing, and you look for it retap back in, but it didn't even retap back in. You just took a jab prior to it.
I took a jab entry. Yep.
Yeah.
So I was looking for that 5-minute rebounds. I took a jab starter short, and we ended up just dumping 55 points off entry.
It did dump more. It just kept on dumping like the whole night. I already left.
I think it peaked at 55.
55.
So so that hourly gap fill was my TP, and then below that I looked for 921, and we hit there. So 55 points in the money.
Like if you think about this, like this Asia price action was so much better than New York too. Like even the range of it, like that was like a 100-point play from what I did from the start, and then you got another 555 pretty easily, and we're in New York here, like AM and PM. just stuck in this tight range, and it's like back and forth, like no clean delivery. So that's why I tweet him like, I'm like, why am I trading New York when Asia this good? And like I'm just anticipating New York's gonna be bad, and look what it is right now.
Yep, exactly.
Someone say in general chat and Discord. What the hell? This is what he's trying to. He's looking at longs to go to. This is an old contract, I think. Yeah. 5-minute breaker. I'm just kind of waiting for this delivery. That contract, old contract's making me confused a little bit. But like, it makes me think like maybe I'll just run Asia streams too on YouTube, like maybe a few times a week, if it's good. If it's bad, I might just end it there.
Yeah, Sunday night, Monday night, Asia was really nice in my opinion because we got good directional movement. Like it seemed clear.
Yeah. I don't know how you do Sunday night though, because I feel like I'm like in the weekend mood, and I start, focusing Monday.
Yeah.
And I see some clean delivery Sunday sometimes. I was like, damn, Lance was cooking here.
Yeah, I find as of recently at least, Sunday opens have been really cool. Like they've been really directional. Because usually what we do sometimes, especially if there's a big macro weekend, we create a big new week opening gap, and price tends to usually like trade volatile off that or into that. So just volatility all around is good.
Yeah. But dude, we're just still stuck in. I feel like what I want to see tap inside the 15-minute and then run lower. It just hasn't done that yet. But yeah, I hope we get a good trade today, because also yesterday PM, there's just nothing clean. Like it was clean delivery, but like I just missed all my entries because it didn't. It just if you I don't know if you traded yesterday, but just grinded up
Yep.
relentlessly. I'm like, can I get an entry here? And they're like, nope. And we're still stuck in this range. And guess what's gonna happen? Like today, maybe we'll get no trade. If we get anything, it'll be maybe a quick scalp or something.
Mm.
And then we're gonna trade Asia tonight, and it's gonna be like a 50, 100-point winner. And like, why are we trading New York again?
Guys, I just want you guys to do one thing real quick. Go to your trading view and just click on the number 5. Click on that time frame, then just look at price. That's what I want you to do.
It's so back and forth right now.
Yeah, I tell my chat, if you're break even on a day today, I am fucking proud of them. Yeah, same with you guys. If you guys are break even, meaning you took no trades, that is the best sign, because if you're able to preserve in low probability conditions, that's what allows your profitability to really be big, right? Like small profitable traders is big profitable traders. The difference is knowing when not to put risk on. And so if you're small green, break even, or if you're manageable overall, that's a very positive sign.
Yeah.
That way, when price does pick up, say if tomorrow FOMC day price does pick up, and you get a clear trade, now you're well over on the week. Same with Thursday and Friday.
That's what I think about all the time. Like, there's gonna be some days where, let's say, my model is not gonna be good price action. Some people thrive in like expansion. Some people thrive in choppiness. Like, I'm gonna have to wait for when my setup does come, and I'm gonna like capitalize hard on it. And then when it's not doing that, try to mitigate as many risks as I can. Yeah, 700 trade 550K. Should I continue 200 all day or risk lower? This is all up to you. Like, if you don't think price action is good, I think you should not trade it. Risk low, do whatever you think, but like you really want to capitalize when it's good. To you, I guess everything's subjective. Gonna be on Twitter, be like, this is the best price action ever.
Yeah, nah. Mental headache. I feel like last week was so clean, and this week, first 2 days, it's just been.
And then I think I saw someone saying like they want to do a small long. I don't know where the long is, but if it works, I hope it's like a play that you have a setup. I just don't know. I don't really see anything here. Oh, shit. We can see like a mini bearish breaker to send it lower here possibly. This is so garbage, man. Literally range bound since the AM dump. It's range bound, but like I do like the range bound where it actually take liquidity. This is so like, I guess, is this high resistance? This is like making relative highs, relative lows, and refusing to break or take any liquidity.
There's just so much invalidation, if that makes sense. So you'll see like a gap go inverse and a potential direction look clear, and then you see prices come back down and inverse that inversion.
Yeah.
You know, it's just up and down.
How much risk would this be here?
What does ICT call this? Seek and destroy? Yep.
Well, I mean, this won't be seek and destroy unless it takes some higher lows. That's the thing. It hasn't really taken anything. Oh wait, I guess on ES it maybe did. Oh no, let me see. I don't know. It's just very hard to. It's probably Q lane choppy here. We have this breaker here. I mean, this is only. If anything, you want to just take small size and maybe do like jabs. Target the opposing side, maybe it'll actually deliver. But this is something I could handle with maybe. Try this out.
That 5 minute is disgusting.
Yeah, it is. I don't even know how to play this though. I don't know. I think we just try to size small today until we get a clean delivery, and then we'll up our size. This is the only scalp I see right now off this breaker here. We're swinging lower. I don't know if we even get to this low, but like if we want to go for at least the shortest internal low, this makes sense too. Yeah, I'm gonna take a piss real quick. I'll be right back.
How are you guys doing today? You guys green? You guys red? Type 1 if you're green, type 2 if you're red, type 3 for break even. Let's see how chat did today. I feel like today was very difficult. Super mentally challenging. It's very easy, especially like a week last week, and I'm sure some of you guys probably did the same thing. Last week, I felt like I would get on first hour or two, I'd be done because I'd see like a model take come in, boom, done, clear. And so yeah, it's kind of hard to shift out of the mentality into going back to that defensive mode and just being preserved until the market gives you your model take. And so yeah, this week's just been challenging to start off so far. We do have FOC tomorrow. We'll see if that clears it up. But yeah, man, I usually take one trade a day and I'm done. This week I think I've taken 7 trades in 2 days, 6 trades in 2 days. That is disgusting.
I'm back here. Who's that 14-year-old?
Yeah, so who's this 14-year-old? This is not Brian, right?
I thought chat said I sound similar, man. Yeah, I want to play off this breaker here. I'll change the title so people can know.
How'd you 14?
How'd you size on 50K trading micro minis? Just think about, I think always think about max risk about 7 to 10% of your drawdown, and then whatever your stop is would dictate your size. Dude, sweep the 5-minute lows and then like close higher, go. I think we can rip higher from there, or we just take out the 15-minute relative highs here and target the lows. I think either one's gonna play out here. We need one first.
A breaker reaction.
Beautiful, beautiful reaction here. J Pay said I like longs. Is there a reason you like longs? For me, it just seems like we just have like higher high, higher high, higher high, and then we got a displacement for a breaker. We have liquidity to the downside, and this is if I'm looking at like the range here, we're in premium here for a premium short. Chat, how many people play this bearish breaker here? Only clean one I see right now. Ironically, the first trade that I see in this like tight range, this range that went over like basically round trip like 6-5 times already. The first one that I see is actually having some fall through.
Good displacement. That breaker was a beauty.
That's why breaker is king, man.
Even in chop, Brian finds a way to
dead ass. I knew you were gonna say something with that. Like just price delivery is like, you know what?
Here's where Brian goes 3 for 3.
We just thrive in this condition.
There's an eternal low.
There's no way we don't want to take this low out, man. 652s.
Good call. That was beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I didn't size that much here. I just played with micros. Just not even in that much of a gain. But, you know, that's the first take that I did 12 RPM. Let's see if we can really slam through these lows now. So what I've been seeing is like we just get a turtle sweep, and if we do float higher, we might try to target the upside now.
Yep, just soup after soup.
Yeah.
If we blast this low though, should see a nice move. I want to see us take that 119 wick low.
I don't see why it wouldn't blast these low after it made all these higher highs here that failed.
See, weirdly enough, like for me, it's not a matter of like if we get to 119 or that 119 wick low, I know we'll dump more off that. It's more so getting to that, right? So it's not more so us driving. It's not more so once we get to it. It's more so if we get to it. If that makes sense. Once we get to it, I feel like we'll drive much lower. But the price has been so up and down. Does it have the strength into driving into that 119 wick low? Because if we do, I think we trade much lower. But it's just like up until then, it's just up and down. It's weird. It's almost like I have conviction and downside past 119 wick low, but I don't have that much conviction or as much conviction in the move into it, if that makes sense. Up until we get into there. It's weird. I don't know. Maybe it's not breakout mentality, but it's just I could easily see a tremendous sell below this wick low, but getting to there is where I'm like, okay, I don't have as much conviction. It's just a matter of getting to it.
This is so slow. I think it just lands down low here. We're already starting to build up more.
I want this to be a homer for you. Bounce it, reject off that breaker and just slam.
I still want to see if we can just slam down lows and just get a good deep drive and chunk low back up. I want to play both sides on this because we just have liquidity on both sides right now. See if we can take that both out in the session. But Lito, are you using rep consoles?
Yeah.
Is this your main one?
Yeah.
Have you had any issues lately with it? I feel like mine. I just
Yeah.
have been getting some connectivity as well as like some not ghost orders, but like maybe some orders that lags and stuff.
I remember I sent it to you Sunday night. I traded Asia a bit, and I was up decent on all my accounts except one. One of them reverse positioned. I don't know why.
Oh yeah.
Remember that? Yeah. Besides,
You didn't see it real time though, right? You saw like the outcome after.
Yeah, I did, because I was just managing the trade, and I wasn't looking at the P&L really. I was just looking at the trade, and afterwards I looked back. I'm like, one of my accounts are red. I'm like, how?
It's
And
so weird
like,
because you were up pretty good and like you see like a double red. It's like what the hell?
yeah.
Did you see like what happened? Did it flip or did it?
No, I didn't.
Was it hedging? Like I guess like because wouldn't I be concerned with that?
Yeah.
Like if you're like let's
I
say
was
long,
holding.
long, and then one count short. Hopefully they
I
don't.
don't know. I'm not sure. It's weird. Because I only ever copy I only ever trade copy them. Like if I trade my Apex, it's either I trade them in 10s or in 20s. So like one account randomly doing that is weird.
Yeah, it is.
Outside from that, it's been pretty calm.
That's what been happening with me more. Like the trade copy is just having some issues where to the point where like I feel like I've been using Replicons for like 2-3 years now, and it's having more issues than it had at the start. I don't know what it is. Is it the same product? But yeah, I'm gonna give TradeSyncer, the web-based one, a shot and see how that goes.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind like quote unquote chop here, as long as we're just clear and objective through internals. Like if we suit this low here and trade back up, like give us good distribution. If we were to slam this internal low, like give us that move into that 119 wick low. Like just make those subtle moves internally, and even that I'd be fine with. But this has just been, it's been so up and down, in my opinion.
No Ukraine ceasefire for now. Damn, I thought they were teasing that for the longest time. Let's land this low here. So relative lows are gonna get tagged on NQ here. If I don't know how strong we're gonna drive through it, if we are, and then ES is a little far away from it, so potential SFT here, to be honest too. If it doesn't want to follow through this. The only real delivery of the whole session so far, that's like kind of incredible. Ironic that happened at the 2 p.m. closure, where after that just start sinking.
See, on a normal day, a reaction like this off that internal low, like, is a guaranteed net into that 119 wick low. Question is, do we see that? Like, reasonably now off the reaction, because we initially saw a small soup, and then we saw prices come back down. There's no reason for price now not to take out that 119 wick low.
Yeah, but I literally said that same thing at like 111 here. I'm like, there's no reason why this should not clear all these highs here.
Yeah.
You get a drive inside that gap.
That's kind of the chop that, like, I look at. It's look at internal lows and look at how we react and how we move, and you'll get a good gauge behind price. Like, if this were to pivot back up now, for me, it wouldn't be as good, because we gave that bearish reaction, wanting lower. This, in theory, should drive lower.
Bro, have you seen JCap? I guess Chow asked that too. Have you guys seen JCap like run on Apex so far? I think he's above a million now. That's kind
He's
of
killing it, bro.
crazy. And
He's
like
killing it.
the time frame he's doing it, I think it's like only been like 1 month, maybe 1 month and a half.
He's a killer, bro. Certified. He's been
Damn,
certified.
man. It makes you think like, why didn't he just do this sooner? Get a random props.
I think he was trading other firms. I talked to him for a little bit, but he was on other firms
Like the
before
Forex
he like
firm?
got on Apex. Yeah, because he asked me for like some advice, and I told him what I do.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, he's been running up. He's crushing it.
Yeah, he did ask me to help me set him up for a console and other stuff. Like I think it was like 9-10 months ago, and he gave it a run and then he stopped. And I guess his another attempt here.
Mm-hmm.
Look how it's teasing this low here. Like any other day, impulse through them.
Yep.
We'll get a deep drive.
Yeah, we should see lower here. Like, there's no reason not to see that. This has to come down.
Short TP 5 points.
Mm-hmm.
And then that'll be like the low of the session right there.
Straight to funded. The only straight to funded I know is Tradeify.
Tradeify, yeah.
Yeah, they're decent.
Tradeify is. I like them. I just can't trade the evals or fundeds again because I'm live with them. Shit, if Brett wasn't watching, I might just pull that live on stream and then run it back.
Good problem to have, I guess.
I'm also stuck on Top Step Live for like a month and a half. Like I want to just go back to this M here because I got 5 accounts. I can scale up. I can do much more numbers, do more damage. It's like just think about my Top Step Live. I literally did 3 payouts I think this month. It's like 3K, 4K, 5K or something like that. Like total, let's say total 10K. If I just had 5 X phase, that'd been 50K right there. Just same kind of sizing.
Mm-hmm.
How many people play chat? Or how many people play short chat? I think we might get an impulse here. Type 1, we play shorts here. Whether it's the breaker or the fair value at retab, I think it's pretty clear here that once we got into premium here, lots of highs made, establish a displacement for a bearish breaker here. I just like playing like you're on side with the trend here with a tight choppy trend, as long as it's like at a good discount or premium for short to be premium, and you have good risk reward and you have a good opposing target. This is like pretty hefty risk reward here.
Yep.
Chat is cooking here.
That wick low is gonna get ran out sooner than ES will, so hopefully we impulse it. That way we take out on both indices.
You're gonna jinx it. You're gonna make this the low session here.
No, this has to hit low, guys. If this isn't low, I like Ben. I said it. If this doesn't hit that 119 wick low, I like Ben. I said that yesterday and I ate my words. So we'll see if I like mud again today. But chat was trolling me. They're like, "You like Ben?"
I mean, yeah, like some of you guys are surprised to find a trade here. The thing is, you want to be very patient because like I wasn't trying to press highs, I wasn't pressing lows, just back and forth until you see something very clear where it has like somewhat of a checklist and just basically good risk reward. This is the first one I've seen this whole chop here. I don't think I could find something here. I kind of want this low to be low of day so we can get that statement verified.
What did you just say? What did you just say?
I said I think I want this to be the low of the session.
Right now, so I can say I like Ben.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Okay, come on. So you would forego your profits, potential further profits, and chat's further profits just for me to say I like Ben. That is crazy. Yo, that is crazy. Chat, that is crazy.
Low key, I think some people in the chat is with me too. They probably want the same thing.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, chat, you wanna get rid of your profits just so I can say I like Ben? Okay. Anyways.
That statement I don't know what the chances is holding is low here, but you know what? That clip will be everlasting. put that on my put that on my wall in the stream, and then we'll put the face cam on and be like, here's that clip.
We're gonna hit that low.
If we get a closure through this previous 1 minute fair value gap and then get a nice breaker here, we can send it straight back up. That's an if here. We need to get a strong closure above 695s. I'm kind of adapting to the price delivery of this is choppiness here. And you're trying to play both sides without a breakout in mind. Just waiting for confirmation to really flip though. No way we're just actually leaving that low. That's crazy.
Wait, so what's my leeway? Like, what leverage do I have here? Like, do I have to say I like benefits here PE?
No. If
like,
it goes, I'll be safe with you. If it goes to 750, the 15-minute high.
750. Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, and
that just verifies the statement even tremendously because that's how far off it is.
And you tee up here. I know you've been shitty. I know you've been on your period today.
Because basically, it's either we're in a tight consolidation. It's either the range low or the range high, whichever hits first. And I might even look for longs if we get a nice closure above that previous swing high here.
No, we should drop lower. It's not confirmed low of day. If this is confirmed low of day, I'll quit trading.
You might put some money on it, bro. If there's no low day here, if it's low day, you'll giveaway.
Dude, I'm putting my literal like
your manhood.
No, I'm literally putting up my whole
Are you talking about your trading?
No. What do you call my sexual? I'm putting up my whole sexuality here for you, okay? Anyways, I don't know why it took so long to say that. I'm putting my whole sexuality up here for you guys. So if we don't hit that low, I have to go outside and kiss a man on his lips. That's what I have to do. But if we do hit the low, I have to go outside and kiss a woman on her lips. Okay? Deal? No? Okay. Anyways, we're gonna hit that low.
I'm kind of praying it doesn't hit that low now.
You would forego your profit just so I could go outside and kiss a dude on his lips.
Dude, chat is willing to cough up. It'll be a cumulative of like maybe $5,000 in profits total or 10,000 profits to make this happen. Might as well. If we get this closure, I might flip and look for longs, and we'll fade each other here.
All right. How about this? If we don't hit low, I'll have to go outside and kiss a guy. If we do hit low, you turn your rub cam on and start twerking. Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Chat, type 1 if you want that. Type 1 if you want that deal.
Everyone who types 1 is gonna get disqualified for the giveaway today.
No, chill. All right, fuck it though. I'll add a giveaway on top of it. You disqualify your giveaway, I'll give my giveaway. I'll do a giveaway.
We need a closure on this 1 minute here. He said 1. I don't give a shit about that giveaway. Dude, why does it feel like that low is actually protected here? Are you nervous, Leto?
No. It's just range bound.
I know, but like basically that low was like 97% cleared. And then imagine we flip all the way back to the range high.
And Q bro tee up.
Damn, I was getting nervous when you said that because I'm like, there's a pretty good chance that this is gonna be high resistance, and just leave that low and try to play for the upside.
And Q, what are you doing?
Yo, I'm saving this live stream, by the way. We're gonna clip this.
No way.
Yo, does anyone have good experience editing? We're gonna need some work here. We gotta clip everything Lanto said. Timestamp every single moment too, with the charts too.
Yeah. Chill. 750 is a big ask. I'm not gonna lie. If we hit 750, I deserve to like Ben.
You said lows want to be taking like 660, and then we added more like 680. Now we're at 713.
You guys are trolling. I mean, I know we're trolling about this, but someone says something funny in chat. I'm not gonna say it publicly, but So said, let's
Wait.
have to go kiss Bonnie Blue with Dodge. Yo.
Wait, so are you gonna record that clip of you
Nah.
going outside or no? How does chat know that it's real and you actually did it?
Just take my word on it. Just sources, trust me, bro. That's your source. Just trust me, bro.
Damn, we got this closure here, and I was like, you know, we're actually anticipating a flip here with this closure would validate that fair value gap to an inversion, as well as make this a breaker here. So that closure, you can either enter off of or look for this retap. Most likely inside this breaker and put your stop on that wick low where that breaker low is. This would be a tremendous play here. How do we got something like this?
Yeah, we
That just
shoot
makes
that
it come
ESO
from the side.
It's been very up and down. We shoot that internal low. Now we're just kind of shifting off it. This is what are the odds we don't take 750 here? We just come right back down. That's what price has been today.
You want to double down?
No. Chill.
Is like
This is
we're gonna upgrade it from men to something else.
What else can you do? That's like what more can you do?
France.
What? Yo.
What's that little voice? What the hell?
That's crazy.
I think anything that's price action, you just want to make sure you're in, like, if you're kind of just, let's say put a fib here, equilibrium's at 701, just make sure if you're longing, try to long within discount, premium as well for shorts, and then get a decent risk reward here. I think chasing this would be tough, because like if you chase longs, unless it's this long on this version makes sense because it's at discount still, but anything beyond that, it's gonna be tough.
Yeah, we're kind of tapping that zone prior. Let's see if we... Guys, to be honest, just based on price, we might have to wait all day before we can see the high or the low get taken out.
I think it's gonna hit in the next 15 minutes here.
The high?
Yeah.
Okay. Brian, I like the confidence. I like the confidence.
If we don't take that high, I'm not gonna make a bet. Imagine we both have to do something. Chad, did anyone flip long, by the way? I think I wanted to flip long because this is the idea here. I don't think I would have played this inversion. I would at least look for a retap in that breaker, but...
Can we agree, though, like, Trosha aside, can we agree on how bad price is?
Dude, this is we almost had 2 for 2 here, bro. This is
I understand.
beautiful price
Listen,
delivered.
But this flip makes sense back up. But the fact that we didn't come down and take that 119 low is so disgusting. That tells you how Seek and Destroy today overall has been. It's really bad.
Imagine like someone just like, no, I think we're impulse and they chase shorts at that low. That's like 658. Just looking for like 4 or 5 points.
Dude,
and then
20 points. Oh no.
How many points is that from that low here? We basically rebounded a total of 70 points. If we do get the high, that's going to be a total of basically 90 points. And ironically, you would be even more bullish if we took that 119 low and then confirmed up.
Exactly. I agree. I completely agree. I would have been very bullish. Just internal range. Just from high to low would have made sense. But we didn't take it. Meaning that we didn't take any draw out and we saw prices completely flip back up.
Yeah.
That's why I hate prices.
I think that's why, like, you know, if you recognize it's just choppy, we're just tight range, you can just wait for that confirmation. Actually play both sides, but not for like a full delivery, just like, you know, internal range moves where you risk 10, 15 points to get like 30 and you'd be in and out. That would have been like a long move back up too. That'd be like, what, 40 points already. Alvin, need to go for the high if we had that long. Chat, if we get this high here, someone take all the clips from the stream and send it to me.
Dude. Who's Lily Phillips? Who's that? I'm assuming it's an adult star.
I think so. I think is that the same person that Dodge took a picture with, or is that like their?
No. Her name's Bonnie Blue.
It's the person that it's like They're rival, I think, right?
No
I think there's two of them. Two of them doing the same thing.
I thought some of you guys know that in chat. Weird.
Dude, no way we don't take the high now. I wanna fulfill this.
Yes. Listen,
if we did break even, that would have been already done deal. But I'm giving you the most leeway here.
Listen, Brian said in the next 15 minutes. I say if we don't take that high in the next 15 minutes, he has to go outside and kiss a guy. Yeah.
Dude, that's not that much leeway here.
Good dumpy. There we go. All right, chat. We're back in it. We're back in it. We're back in it.
How is he actually still in the game here? I don't even know. Don't make me just long this just so it bounces.
This is exactly what I'm referencing. Look at the high that we put in. We came so close to that. We're within that route of high. We did not take. It's just so up and down.
No 5-minute gap either to really see how we place this.
People are saying SMT. Yeah, there was SMT off that internal low, but how much do you consider that interior model when that SMT is the smallest SMT you could look at? You know?
Yeah.
How much validation does that SMT hold up?
I prefer SMT if it takes like the liquidity, and since we're so close to liquidity, if we take that low and ES didn't take it, that's like the SMT I want to really pay attention to.
Yeah. SMT. Yeah, SMT off higher time frame draw, or whatever. Sure, but a 1 minute internal low, like how much are you to hold validation through that? It might work, it might pan, but it's just not. That's not the best of confluence in my opinion.
We have 5-minute gap here. I kind of want to see this kind of like show us change the delivery. It would make more sense if we did take that low because that would be more a significant down close candle. But this would just be a simple OB here next to this 5-minute fair value gap. This is what I'm looking here. If we get closure below the bullish gap, what do you think of shorts? Which gap are we talking about? I think for this, it has to be cut through this breaker here. Like how we did on the upside. How many likes we got on the stream here? We're doing one giveaway for every 150 likes. We have 750 people here. We can literally do 5 giveaways if everyone likes, but you guys not about it.
You guys don't want to click a button?
Just one button. We could literally do 5 every single day too, but chat don't like to click a button.
What do we call this? Oh yeah, barcode price action.
Low key, I would prefer this price action over like expansion without retracement. Yeah. I always cannot trade that. New to strategy. Do you mind explaining what a breaker is? Let's do a 20-second seminar here. Let's say you have a low, you have a high. You want to see a sweep that low and a closure on the next high. So it's kind of like you're purging both sides, but now this is the recent one. You want to see this previous high be used as kind of like a support, and likewise you do the same thing. We have a high, we have a low, we have a high sweep, a strong displacement. If it retraces to previous low here, you want to use as a bearish breaker. And that also allows you to make a good stop because, like, let's say this is a breaker here and you want to take an entry somewhere here. Just put your stop right at the breaker low, and then you can go for the next high. Dude, this is so choppy. What the heck?
Mm-hmm.
Shulk is saying, how you feeling, Lanto? Ready to go kiss a man?
Good. I still like downside more than upside, but it's just been up and down.
Wait, you said you'd set that last time or yesterday? to your stream and it failed too?
Yeah.
What was
First
what was
time
it
ever.
like
Uh,
for a trade or something or?
no, it was just narrative. It was biased. I was like, okay, I want to see data lows yesterday. After something
Uh-huh.
happened, we didn't get it, so I was like, yeah, I was just like, man. Now, but my higher time frame bias yesterday was bullish. I just wanted to see a rebalance lower through a higher time frame before setting higher again. We didn't get that, so I was like, yeah, like, man. Not today though. I'm chilling today.
I mean, we're halfway there, man.
Okay, listen though. If we do get that low, guys, that 119 wick low, what does Brian have to do? Because surely I'm putting a lot of risk up. I'm putting my sexuality up in here. You know, Brian has to do something. Something. I say. Actually, nah.
You gotta make it more advantageous to me. If we take out like let's say 730, then we could do it.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Oh fuck, guys, do I do it? Do I do 730? That relative high. All right, what would you do if I agreed to it? What would you do?
What do you mean? Oh, like if we take 730s and then go for the lows.
No, like I put 730 up on risk, and then you put in the low at risk. 119 wick low.
Wait, why would I put 730? Oh no, your risk is 750 still.
Okay, I'm saying, but if I drag it down to 730, would you do something?
Okay, what do I do? What do you want me to do?
Guys, what should we have him do? I'm still gonna stick to my original plan. Turn your webcam on and get freaky.
Yo, but when we made that deal here, you were like 97% done. I need something like that.
It was not the low. It was not the low. It was not the low. It was not the low.
Shit, it was 90% then. Let's do. That's the thing.
No.
You had the most advantage. Right now it's like halfway here.
Someone said you gotta recreate the sketch vid. Oh my god. Oh my. Yo.
You talking about webcam? I don't even have a webcam on, man. That'll be the first webcam. Maybe the first webcam stream.
Go on your phone in Discord and turn your camera on and screen share it through the live.
And then you
There you
actually
go.
do your part of the deal here.
Not 730.
750. We're gonna keep it at 750 here.
750. But if you hit low, you have to do what you have to do. Okay.
Mine only triggers if we get 730s first, and then if it hits lows. Same way as yours.
So we have to hit 730s, and then okay.
And then it triggers for mine.
Deal.
It's fair.
So he's assuming that if we take this route of high, we'll blast higher. That's fair.
Yes. Same way that you did, basically.
And Q, if there's ever one day I needed you to be clutch, it's today.
So this is liquidity here.
Dude, guys, when we hit 730 and hit lows, and you just tune into Brian's stream and you see him twerking. Dude, I would literally I would probably die genuinely die of laughter.
There's no way because look at this 730s. All I need is 18. Or no, it could be the other way. All I need was like 18 points, and my risks in this deal basically is literally 79 points. That's like what is that? How many risk what is that?
If we hit lows, if we hit that wick low, at that point, you deserve to do it, you know?
I mean, the same way that you deserve when we were so close to that 119 low.
Yo, just make sure you get Jade Cap in here when you're about to do it. Get ICT, get Kane, get Tanya, get everyone in here. Just so
Yo, wait. When did we hit that freaking breaker? Did I miss that? That 234 here. What the hell? I didn't see that. Was I getting distracted here? Did anyone take that breaker? I was trying to get that long there. Bro, I marked this out for the last 30 minutes because we didn't for 20 minutes. And this will be a kind of relatively tight stop here.
We were 730. All right, now it's into play.
No way, it didn't take the high. I get 732 here.
You said 730. You said 730.
That high though. I mean, it's like one more point.
You said 730.
You know
said
what I mean? The high has to be taken.
Chat, did he not say 730? Did he not
You
say
didn't
730?
build. I mean, we're probably gonna take this high anyways. But damn, chat. Basically, I marked out 2 breakers that we had to set up. One for the downside and one for the upside. We're just playing both sides here, and I think I don't know. I thought I had limits in on this trade, but I might have canceled it. What the hell did it go? I swear I had it on. But like, just realize weird choppiness. You just wait for the setup, and these are 2 clear setups on both sides so far. All right, not. I mean, I guess we both agree now.
Yeah, jokes aside, that 2 good setups, good short, good long.
Breaker setup. I mean, I think the long was actually a unicorn setup because it has fair value inside.
Yeah, you thrive. You thrive in this.
It's so easy too because both setup just had like about a 15-point stop, and your main like internal opposing liquidity would be like, what is that? Like 50 points, 43 points already. You're not even going for the range liquidity yet. Damn. Chat is making me nervous too.
Please just flip here. Just do what you did all day. Just flip off this wick high. Just trade back down lower, please. Boom. Beautiful sell candle. Oof, look at that. Kidding, obviously.
Yo, don't do this. I feel like I'm gonna get cooked if we displace through
Guys,
235 here. What
be
is
honest.
up with this?
Chat, would you rather see me kiss a guy or Brian twerk on stream? Be honest. If it's Brian, you want lower here. If it's me, you want higher.
Hey, yo, this is so bad. I'm getting nervous.
Give just over the gap. Come on, stand lower. Come on.
We have to hold this. I might just freaking long this just so we push this back up.
No wicks. Just expand through it. Come on. Yo, as we trade lower, you're just gonna hear Brian speak less and less.
I'm gonna start sweating. Damn, but yeah, that long side would have been good because we had a clear drive here. Fill in, stop 15 points, the breaker low. This is a pretty healthy stop here too.
Yeah, we're just kind of having fun with it now. We're just kind of trolling because price is not the best. Brian gave out 2 good ideas, but it's just it's not the best price in my opinion.
This is not gonna be trolling. We get a pump here. This could be dead ass. But yeah, I mean FOMC tomorrow too. We gotta wait for that.
Yeah.
I mean, 2 good trades. If I was like actively trading this, I think I'll just do like 10 micros for both of them, and maybe I'll make like $400 or $500 on both for total. But that was kind of still stressing me out here. This choppy delivery.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of. This is kind of blessed that that inversion didn't flip here, or that didn't flip at 236.
Price, what are you doing? It's cute. This is so choppy.
Chat, rate this price action so far. Like, rate it as in like, if you were to trade it, would you make money out of it? 1 in 10, 1 in 10 here.
If you guys are trolling with us in chat, you know it's bad PA.
Damn, a lot of people are saying negatives right now.
Yeah. feel like today was really hard to make money. At least I am. You probably bailed some people in chat. Guys, how many of you guys got bailed out through Brian's takes right there?
Dude,
For
that,
the
that happens so many times. People start red. And like, thank you for bringing me green for this trade. It's like, you got bailed out.
Uh-oh.
You know what? We might be halfway here. Should we call off the bet?
There is no call off. I'm a man of my word. I stick to it.
Okay,
If we get 750, I'm gonna go outside my lips and dude. I don't care. I said it. Even though I'm not gonna like it, I'm gonna go outside and do it.
Shit, now I got me nervous with this close, with this displacement here. Chat saying double down here.
No double downs. I'm taking no offers. We're sticking with this. You know the amount of like my order R here is so freaking like so much risk for little reward here.
That's the same thing here. Like, let's say I play the breakout, right? I need 18 points to take out that high. Look how much we already flipped here. Almost 30, almost 2R. I might as well just fade this deal. It's short. And at least I win somewhere. Yeah, this is so cooked here.
I'm gonna slam this inversion. Come on. If we displace sharply through this inverse with that route of high taken, I actually like downside, but I'm not gonna put any risk on. But it would be a good confluence. It's all about once we get to that route of low, that wick low. Do we blast that and then trade into that 119 wick low? It's like if we were to inverse this gap here and then trade into 687, do we blast that low or do we trade back up and pivot?
Look what Nathan said.
Yeah, want to kiss a dude so bad he's long. So... Bro, not chill. Listen, there's nothing wrong with that, but I don't swing that way.
Dude, we gotta see this through. I don't know what's gonna happen in the stream. He's like, doesn't look like it so far.
Nah, chill. Yo, what are the odds that 750, that wick low, are just the highs and lows that we put in for the day? What if we just close flat?
I mean, that means we both win.
Or we both don't lose.
Yeah.
We don't really win anything. We're kind of like break even, you know?
Yo, why is that pump giving me some adrenaline here? Even though I'm not in it.
Yo. Chill.
This is probably what it feels like. You know, we have our bets at the highs and lows, but it feels like the same thing to people who have who's high leverage and they have the softs there. This is what it feels like to us right now. We're not even risk on anything. It's just hypothetical stuff.
Dude, this is so freaking choppy.
Yo, Lance, look at your chat. Someone's asking, what is this about? It shows my chart.
I'm not chat being weird. They want me to kiss a dude.
Whew. Double down.
What do I double down in?
2.
Like 2. Okay, what's my leeway though? What do I get?
No leeway, man.
So I just double down, just double down.
But your leeway is now that 688 low. If you do it here.
868.
688 low. That breaker tap low.
So my high remains the same. I double down, and if we hit that 688 low, you have to do it.
No. That just you won yours. We have
what?
2 If it hits that 688 low, then you're done. Your deal's done. And I still have mine still. The same way.
If I double down, I have to get something out of it too.
Yeah, what you got is not that low of day anymore. It's 688 is that leeway here. Now it's like kind of 50-50.
Okay, so if I hit 688, then you have to twerk.
No, I still have my deal. My deal is either highs or the lows.
Oh no, I don't get anything out of it.
No, you got an increase from 654. Now you have up to 685 now, just in case we don't hit 654. Think about it.
You're
That's a good
shocked.
deal.
Nah, I'm sticking with
Okay,
the
fine.
original.
We'll keep it. Chat. Who do you think is gonna win here? Well, there's gonna be one winner, one loser. Type who you think is gonna win.
Yo, Nix, I don't know if you're in here. Send Brian that Scott Fiesta video.
What is that? I mean, chat is winning too because the only two trades I shared with like the risk reward tool, everything played out perfectly.
Yeah, Trollshire side. Good breeds.
But this month, like besides like today with the choppiness, this month overall just been pretty clean. Reads, I feel like, minus some AM sessions, but like PM and Asia, I don't know. I'm just reading it perfectly.
Why did I do this bet? Why did I do this bet?
Dude, because you had it was like basically
Bro,
a 95% chance for you to win.
20 points in, I have 20 points to draw on versus you having to need like fucking 100 points.
Brother, you made it all the way at like somewhere in the 660, bro.
Okay, but there was no deal with me and you up until we saw this high.
You were so confident that it's gonna impulse a low.
Oh my
There was like
God.
literally like a 1% chance it doesn't do. Oh shit. Oh shit.
This is worse than losing a trade. This is worse than blowing account. There is no way. Oh my fuck. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? Yo. I'm green today. I'm having a good day. You know, and then I just do this to myself. Why? Oh.
I'm gonna take this out.
Dude, what is that? Lanto kisses a man if it hits the high. Bro.
That's so funny.
Dude.
That's so much better than me making like $1,000 today.
I will say that breaker was fire though.
Yeah, dude. While you're making that bet, I'm like, the only way this plays out is if we inverse that fair value gap to make an inversion, confirm that breaker, then I would actually flip and play upside. Chad's asking if it's gonna be live.
No. I'm gonna go on live on Discord live and go outside and just find a random dude and just kiss him.
Yo, someone has a candidate for you, Lanzo.
Who?
Look at the
Bro.
Daryl Martin himself.
Bro. Oh my God. Oh.
Yo, Jack, clip that and send it to me. I need that after the stream.
Don't clip that. Don't clip that. Don't clip that.
This is everlasting.
All right. Can I have as much time to do it as I need to?
How long do you need it? How long do you need?
Like 12 to 48 months.
12 to 48 months. So like
Yeah.
within 5 years.
Within 2 years.
Within 2 years. Okay. Shit. Are you still gonna be trading then?
Well, obviously. What? But
What do you need the time for? You need to prepare or something?
yeah. I just need, like I need like mentally prepared stuff.
Chad, did we give him 2 years time limit? Someone gotta keep on reminding him though.
Oh, nah, my chat.
We might need to make a name for Lanto just to keep on reminding him.
We already have your name, BSB.
We-
Yo, get rid of that now, okay? You won. Get rid of that thing. Get rid of that thing. Lanto kisses a man. Get rid of that.
Dude, I had that on the whole stream basically. I'm like, if it hits, it hits, and look at it.
No. Listen. No one said on the lips. I can do a cheek, right? I can do a cheek kiss.
Wait, did he say lips? Or did he say
No,
cheek?
no.
Or did he say something at all?
I said cheek. I said cheek.
See that's why we need a clip, bro. Because the stream is everlasting. He definitely said on the lips.
No.
Lanta, what would you rather feel like?
Yo,
To actually fulfill that bet? Yeah, listen. Would you rather fulfill that bet, or would you rather be down like 1,000 all your Apex scouts?
1,000 on my what? What? Those
Dude,
are so in the money. Those accounts are so. Give me that. Yo, okay, right now I'll do it right now. Say what I want. I'll do it right now.
Dude, that's what I was feeling like when we were going. I think we were like that 243 area. I'm like, shit. I would probably rather be down a little bit of money today than actually lose this.
Yo, I thought we were just blasting the high too. Guys, we didn't just take 754. We're blasting it.
Shit, some people in the chats were saying like, you know, Brian, I think you're cooked. I think it's going to the downside. Look at us now. I was wrong. Lento got Omega cooked. I mean, okay, overall, now I think if we drive high to this 15-minute gap, it's a large gap, and we get a nice closure, we should really target the lows now. But that's kind of how I'm playing this like chop delivery here. Now that once I take it, it makes the other side more high probability if we get confirmation.
All right, can we do a double or nothing?
What are you gonna do?
All right, listen. I like downside here. I have.
Okay.
We have to see 688 for me, and then for you, we
688. Why 688? It gotta be 652. 654 is here. That's the only way this works.
I'm not going all the way back down. I actually don't think we come back down and touch that now. But listen, we'll see. I enter here, and then you like.
So yeah, I won my bet. I won my bet. You're gonna save it.
Double nothing. 687, and then for you it's 836 or 837. 50. 5 minute gap fill. 5 minute gap fill.
Yo, that's too far up. I don't even think it gets any higher here.
I think that's fair.
Chat, I think they say no deal here.
No one said anything.
I'm with Nathan. He said he didn't want the double down before. Now he wants it now.
Someone in his chat said, "Brian, do it, or else Lanta will come to your house, purposely take a trade, and blow all your accounts." See, I secondhand that. I actually don't disagree with that. So, someone said, "Brian, if you're not a bitch, you do it right now in a heartbeat. Be a man for once." Bro, wow, I agree with that.
Shit. Okay. Real shit though. If you don't want to do it, chat. What does he do?
How about this, guys? Instead of doing that, I'll just do a giveaway. Yeah.
What would it take? What's the equivalent here, chat?
I'll double Brian's giveaway today. Yeah.
Hey, I don't know if I'm giving away that much today, man. I would rather see that video, to be honest.
Okay, so if you do 2 accounts, I'll do like 4 accounts. You know. Deal?
Chat. How many guys want for him to buy him out here? We have to do it for like this stream because they witnessed through all this.
Someone said I entered short to support Tony Blues. That's funny. A Model 3. Yeah, I'm not going to a Tesla. Maybe if I'm doing $1 million a month down the line.
Damn, they want 10. They want 10.
10 accounts? Of what though? 10 accounts of what? Apex? I'll do Apex.
We could probably just do 5.
No. You don't have to. No. I want to do more than you. I owe them that. I'll do whatever it takes not to kiss a guy.
Dude, Lazo, how are you feeling off that candle? Like where we're going, like 248 to 249 here, like before it spiked up here. Like what was going through your mind here?
You know what I felt like? The same way I felt whenever I'm trading evals and I'm over leveraged and I hear stop filled sound. You know, that's how I felt.
Dude, I could see if we had you on a webcam, you'll be like sweating a little bit. You're like, oh shit, you're nervous, and then it spiked it. Damn. He felt unstraight.
All right, so the bet's in play. Brian, you're sweating here a little bit, yeah?
I did great as shit.
So for me, it's 687. For you, it's that 837 high. Let's see if we get it.
All right. So let's see. I guess we could do. I could do 2. Lance could do 5. We could do 7 total.
Yeah, that works. Is that a dub chat or not?
Is that good, chat? Or would you guys rather decline the offer and let Lanto fulfill his obligations here?
You wouldn't want to forego the chance to win 5 accounts.
You know what? Nathan Gopri is actually making a good case here. Like, let's not forget what Lanto alternative is. Kissing a guy versus a few account doesn't seem fair.
Shut up. Guys, would you rather I'm gonna kiss a random dude or be able to get money?
All right, how should we do this though?
What accounts do you usually give away?
Yeah, I have a stockpile in every firm. They're all ranging around like about 80 to 100 bucks, and they can pick whatever account they want.
Yeah, I don't mind. I just need to know which firm.
I do. Oh, you know what? I can add in something spicy. A straight to funded. I have a trade file that's like 500 bucks. I have a few that I bought. Maybe for this occasion, since we didn't. You're like we had some trades, but you know what? Since this is the fun stream, I might add that into for my one. All right, no, but how should we do the giveaway though? Let's see. Should we pick a number here?
I'm retracting from a word that I want to say right now, but I want to say so bad. I don't like dudes. Get out of there. Get it out of your mind. Anyways.
Let's see. All right, let's do the number guess first to start. And maybe we'll do 1 guess per person, 1 to 250. Lanto, type me 3 numbers.
1 through 250?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
One guess only. If you guess more than 1, I promise you're not gonna win. Oh shit, these are some numbers. Alright, help me look. There's 3 numbers already, so we can get half of them out the way.
Oh, this is hard because I have to memorize 3 different numbers.
Yeah, that's why we're both looking. Yo, these are big numbers though.
Alright. You look for the last one, I'll look for the first one, okay?
I'm trying to look all 3 of them. See if I can find. So you might as well make it easier and pick close. One guess per user, chat.
Someone came close.
Yeah, there's a lot of close, but like, it's not it. Unless I just missed it.
Alright, let me try the other number.
Yo, this is not getting it right now. I don't see anyone guess.
Yeah, I'll pick some good ass numbers.
I actually cannot find a single one right now. I feel like we went through so many numbers already.
Oh, I found the first one. Oh, no. No, I didn't. It's 127.
Oh. I think now people are going to probably guess multiple times at this rate because the number's so far off. Dude, I think we got to stop this and do something else. No one's getting it at all.
No one's getting it at all, yeah.
250 might be too large, yes. I don't know. Some people are guessing
repeats.
100?
We should do 1 through 100.
Oh, wait. I think someone might have got it, actually. No, this guy guessed freaking like 4 times, 5 times, though.
Someone got it. Wait, who?
Tracy.
No, he guessed.
He got the first one. Well, like, maybe.
Tracy, you can't do that. You can't just put random numbers.
Yeah. Okay. No, we're gonna have to cancel this. We're gonna have to cancel. Do something else.
We're back. Actually, we'll just do this. Oh, wait. How should we do this? What's a fair way to do this? Like a decisive way where we can find the winner instantly.
We could do thumbs up in Discord. And then run a giveaway bot.
We can do yours, yeah, if you want. Do you have the giveaway bot installed yet or no?
I don't think I have it on this Discord actually. You have it on yours?
No.
Okay. I mean, we could just pick randomly, I guess. You think that'd be?
All right. How about this? Okay.
It's just so many giveaways. Because we're doing like 7 or no? Yeah, we're doing 7.
Yeah. What was I gonna do? Okay. I don't know. No clue.
Let's just try to thumbs up. Maybe we'll get them out of the way. I'll just put an announcement. I'll put like this for giveaway, and username will take too long.
You want to do 1 through 100?
1 through 100?
Yeah.
For how many giveaways?
We can do those 3 that we had originally.
No, but then since we're doing 1 through 100, it would actually, you will look at the other numbers they already used. So I can't use a thing where I can see how many times I guessed already.
Oh shit. Okay. I don't know. How do you want to do it?
I mean, I think we could do half giveaway and then half just random stuff in the chat.
I'm down. All right. Let's.
Okay, we'll just do like this for a giveaway here. I'll put the link in the Discord for here. Here's my OG channel. I think, you know what? Maybe I'll just scroll fast and then stop and highlight like a few. I mean, you can do that too, Lance, if you want to do that.
Yeah, I'll do it.
We're gonna give them time here. It's 7 giveaways. I'm gonna do one of them. It's gonna be a straight to funded account. And if you win, something cool I have now is submit a ticket. You just press giveaway claim, and then someone can insert that for you. So it's announcements. 101 likes here. 7 giveaways.
All right.
This is. I think this is how I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go. I don't know. Should I do randomly because I can count the numbers.
If there's enough,
there's gonna be probably like 300-400.
Yeah, you could do like a number generator on Google, whatever it is.
You count through it.
Yeah.
But then like if it's like let's say 250, it'll be like a lot of counting.
Yeah.
We'll do half on this one, the other half just doing something in the chat, so we can get some out.
All right.
I mean, if it's like under 200, we can do the number generator.
I'll pick mine randomly. All right.
All right.
First one, 3, 2, 1. Saja. All right,
someone said wait.
Number 2.
I think Lancel's picking already. He's gonna pick some random one here, and then we'll do someone. I'll do someone chat.
At J/. Number 3.
Watch someone just like trying to log into like 10 accounts. I mean, there's not that many votes right now. Actually, pretty good.
I got mine.
How many you got? 3 or 4 or 5?
3.
3. Okay.
I still got. We can do 2 more differently if you want.
Yeah. I think people want to do it differently. All right, type them in the channel.
I got you. I could just give them the money, honestly, because they could just DM me. I could give them the thing.
Okay. Oh yeah. Let me type them on the announcement so they know who won.
Got you. You want like the full usernames or just the names?
Yeah, just give me the names. So these guys are the winners for the first half here.
Yep.
If this is one of you, Saijay, Jchos, and Jayesh. Jayesh.
Yep.
Is that one of them here?
I believe so, yes.
No.
In there, no. But I did a poll on my thing. That's what I did.
All right, no.
Actually, let's do this. Yeah, the final two I'll do in your Discord. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bet. Where do you post it, Jen?
The announcement.
Announcement. Oh, I got it. Are you guys ready?
How many you got here?
184. Ready?
I think for my straight to funded, I'm gonna do it based off the candlesticks. It'll be spicy.
All right, Sir AJ. This guy right here.
Yeah, just send me the username.
One. Yep, this is number 1.
Sir AJ is 1. And what's another one?
We'll pick right now.
But the last two I'm gonna do is in the Discord, or not gonna be Discord, in the live chat.
All right, I got Zane right here.
And Zane.
All right.
So these are the 5 here. I have 2 more to go here. I'm gonna do on my side.
All right, what accounts are you doing? I'll match it.
It's just their choice. It's basically growth 50k, Tradeify 50k, starter 50k, TPC 50k. We have like
what's the average?
Average of what the cost? I think it's like 80 or 90 per. I think.
I'll give you 100 for the 2 guys there.
Okay. Okay, let's do
Good
this.
shit, guys. Good shit, guys.
All right, we're gonna do the last 2 in chat here. I think we want to. I definitely want the 3 p.m. candle, but we already passed that. So maybe we'll try to do the same thing here. Guess the candle is always fun. I'm gonna do it within 1 tick. Let's guess the opening price of 315 starts at 313. And cut off at 314. Yeah, I think that's good. And this would be for a $500 trade fund account. Just to wrap this up.
Dang. Big boy giveaway.
Yep. You know what I did, bro? I said, hey, Brett, use my affiliate money. Give me a lot of, growth. Give me a lot of straight funded. Give me a lot of all of that. And so I have a stockpile of everything right now. guys, it starts at 313 chat. Oh my goodness.
That's horny.
You have 1 more win. I'm just trying to get the instruction out. Just have the number guess. It's actually moving pretty good right now. So we will actually get something. I mean, there's just more chances for the rest of chat. Just have your guesses, guys. If you guys want to save it and wait till the closer to get more of a quicker accuracy, then that's fine. If you want to just guess right off the bat, just so no one guesses it. I think this is like one of the more fun way to do it. Someone say the giveaways, they flock it. I feel like we lose viewers when we do giveaways, to be honest. All right, starting now. We had 700 when we were trading. We're actually losing them. One guess per person. One guess per person here. Or just promise you it's going to be disqualified. You want to put your guess in, Lanto, if you're still here? To leave? Let's see. He's still here. Ten more seconds here. Let's see who can get it. It's such a luck base here because it's like kind of random. The next minute candle. If I did it like a certain candle, then it would have been more like, so you can probably pinpoint it. But you're trying to anticipate basically that's a kind of rewarding that aspect. If you're deleting messages, I'm pretty sure the bot can detect that. We have multiple guesses. Anyways, no more chat.
Alright. I think
What's
we're
your
wrapping up here.
guess?
We get off.
Okay.
Yeah. Throw stuff aside. Good stuff, guys, today. Brian had some good reads. We went, what 2 for 2?
Yeah.
Very good stuff in these conditions. So, yeah, good stuff, guys. Stay safe. I'm going to talk to y'all. See you guys probably Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah, peace out, y'all.
Let's see it. All right, let's see where it's at here. Okay, let's see where this is at. This is higher. 26.25. 726.25. Actually did a bump up last minute here. I'm looking. 724, that's close. I'll have to take a look. You guys can look with me. But then, most likely, there's going to be some disqualified, so I'm going to have to verify the end. This is for a $500 trade buy account here. If no one guesses, we might have to run it back. Unless someone guesses really close. But yeah, I mean, with a platform that I want to do, with the smart platform, it gets us much better, much cleaner. Do even like a 7 to 726. I think that has to be it here. Never mind. Yeah, wait, no, yeah, that's it. That's it. Zanji set he has 726, one tick under, which is perfectly fine there. I don't know where you guys are seeing Kyle. I think Zanji was first before even Kyle showed up. I'm gonna give it another look just so we won't get the wrong person. It's Kyle first. You know what? Okay, since they're both close, we're gonna give we're gonna give both of them because we're doing 2 giveaways anyways. So both Zanji and Kyle. I think if Kyle's first, I'll give him the account. And if Kyle Zanji's second, then I'll give him a regular account. That's a lot of accounts here, guys. All right. Okay, I'll get both of you guys. Sanji and Kyle. Make a ticket. I think it's gonna wrap it up here. I think we kind of overstood our stream here, just because we had a lot of back and forth for fun. I mean, this price delivery wasn't that good, but look at like the two setups I really posted. I really missed this breaker play. I think I was a little distracted. I sort of got I had limit order set with stop order set too. I don't know why. What happened to me? I canceled it because I was getting distracted. But yeah, well, I'll get both of them, guys. I'm gonna end the stream here. I'll see you guys tomorrow.